आमी हियरिंगा येयलोय आनी हे हियरिंग इज बेस्ड ऑन सम नोटिफिकेशन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरमेंट फॉरेस्ट एंड क्लायमेट चेंज तेंचे नोटिफिकेशन आहा. हे नोटिफिकेशना प्रमाणे तितून हियरिंग प्रोसिजर्स आहा. प्रोसिजर फॉर कंडक्टिंग पब्लीक हियरिंग. सो प्रोसिजर फॉर कंडक्टिंग पब्लीक हियरिंगान थिंग कितें बरयलां. द पब्लीक हियरिंग शाल बी अरेंज इन द सिस्टमॅटीक time bound and transparent manner ensuring widest possible public participation. Widest possible public participation. Public no. Widest public participation is required for what is going on inside. Presentation कमेस जालें. कोंकणी presentation काबार जाला. English presentation कमेस केलें तेमी आतां. ओ public न्हू. So हे public participation गरज ना. So isn't this public hearing conducted by the state government under all protocols? Isn't it not complying to the annexure appendix 4 of the notification? Yes. कित्याक सगलो public भायर आहा आनी hearing कमेस जाला भितर. Presentation कमेस जाला. It is saying widest possible public participation is required. थिंग आसतलो 150 लोक भितर. हिंग आहा 450-500 लोक ऑलमोस्ट आतां लायनी आसतलो भायर. So we are first of all starting this presentation without in compliance with the appendix 4. And mark this that these are the things. This document there is lot of violation more. If you go inside, notice to the public hearing. There is a protocol. Court an order दिली की public hearing. कोण कोर्टान सांगलो ना shortcut मार म्हूण. कोर्टान सांगलो ना shortcut मार म्हूण. कोर्टान सांगलो ना violate this to public hearing core in violation of the notification. जात ते भाशेन पब्लीक हियरिंग कोर इन वायलेशन विथ द नोटिफिकेशन म्हणून कोर्टान सांगलो ना. सो आज हे चोय इफ वी ट्राय टू सी दॅट दीस एंटायर प्रोसिडींग्स पर्सन एट द वेन्यू शाल बी ग्रांटेड ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू सीक इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑर क्लॅरिफिकेशन ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट फॉर द एप्लिकंट. हेंय बरयलां. हे सगळे भायर आहाय. हाव वील दे गेट इन्फॉर्मेशन नाव. सो हाव कॅन यू से दॅट दीस एंटायर नाव वॉट दे हॅव स्टार्टेड प्रेजेंटेशन म्हणटाय तें पयलीं गरजे म्हणटाय न्हू. तेका लागून गरजे म्हणून कमेस केलां. सो तेम जोरी तोरी चिंतलोलें की तूं लोक जातो म्हूण वीच दे ऑलरेडी न्यू. ह्या सगल्या लोकांक मल्टिपल एंट्रीज करूंक जाताल्यो. हे एक देरवट केला चोय दुर्गा भितर सदां ते भाशेन आनी इतली लोकांक भायर दवरला. आनी ह्या लोकांक मत सगल्या कोवीड जालें जाल्यार हाल कोण दितलो. प्रमोद सावंत हारी कोतलो. ह्या कलेक्टर हारी कोतलो. ह्या सगल्या लोकांक कोवीड जालें जाल्यार हू इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल. where there is social distancing, who knows, where is the temperature check of all these people. कोण responsibility घेता ह्या लोकांची. And why is this in violation with the appendix? I think this is what has to be put out. They are doing it inside. They have to understand this. We are going to raise a point of order. भितर आलो तो भायले येयलो हिंगा. So that now even to go inside maybe I have to stay for a queue. Number again. So this is the utter failure, total failure. People are suffering here. ह्या प्रेजेंटेशन काबार जातले वो लोक भितर पावपाना. आनी वो लोक आतां 11:30 जापयले. इथिंगसान देखून लायन म्हाका एका पयलीं भितर पावपाना इथे. मल्टिपल एंट्रीज हॅज टू बी डन. तूं जाणा 700 लोक येता जाल्यार तूं चिंतपा जाय एक वरा भितर 100 लोक एक लायनी भितर सरतलो. सो तुवें 7, 8, 9 पॉयंट दवरूंक जाय भितर सरपाचें न्हू. एश कोन्न एक पॉयंट. दिस इज कॉल्ड प्लॅनिंग. हे भुरग्यांक इस्कॉल शिकयताय. But this is how they are doing failure. I think today this is a total nonsense what they are doing. फकत legally आमगे हातपाय बांधलोय. How to bring a stay order on this illegal hearing is a question mark. We request, we have set up a legal cell. Our legal cell is working on this. We request all the legal advocates of Goa today to come out and put a thought process. Is this hearing in compliance with the appendix 4 of the notification? If not, can we do something legally? This is an appeal to all Goa advocates. We are also legally working. But this is not, these people have not heard the Konkani presentation inside. So, are they part of the hearing or no? Have they participated? And English चलता. जे कोणा English आयकपा जाल्यार तेंकाय ते आयको मेळना. So, म्हाका सदा also I want to put on record all this what we have said here, which is non-compliance of the appendix. We are going to put it inside in a point of order. And we would stress that it has to be registered in the minutes, because this has to come in the minutes that this entire process is a failure, and this is evidence that it is a failure. There is no COVID protocol, there is no systematic approach. The government has misused its powers today in Goa. एक गांदोल थिंगा आनी एक सगल्या हिंगा थिंग दोले आनी कोणाकूय दुयेंस जालें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता this is going to be a big situation here in the next few days to come.
However, it looks like COVID. It looks like Mela. Okay?